Oh, I know.
A little boy fell and his shoe came out. And Aiden took the ball away and took it over there.
Stupid.
Just
Press! 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 Get in there! Get in there! Press! Press! Yes! Press it! Press it! Get to the ball! Kick it out! Good! Good! Get to the ball! Good! Go Aiden! Go Aiden! Go Aiden! Yes! 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 Go Aiden! Yes! Good job, Tornadoes! That's what they get. Talk shit, man. Aiden's so fast. He's so fast. Oh,
So that's why
stupid.
His uncle played with him since he was like 1.
Oh, really?
His uncle's really good too.
So good. Go Tornadoes! Nail in the coffin, baby! Press! Press! Get to the ball! Run to the ball! Get it, Mateo! Go in! Go in! Go in! We win! W! Yay! Yay! Good job, Tornadoes! We win. God damn. Feels good, yeah. Screw that, man. Talking shit. Good, Mateo. You did good. Good defense. Good, good. Good, Caleb. Good, Caleb.
Good job, honey bunny.
Aiden, excellent. Good job.
Okay, go get your seat, baby.
Oh yeah, thank you. Good job, Tornadoes! Yay! Yay! Yeah. We won. Good. I was a little worried there for a second. I think that was a good team that we won. Last week that was a really good team, but this one was a really good team.
Okay, tell that guy stop sliding.
Sliding?
Yeah,
What the heck?
because Aiden was blocking it.
So lame.
That's a block.
Yeah, that's a lot. Bye. Bye. Good job. Good job. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Go, Jay. Who's there? He's over there. Hey, good job. You're so good today. You're so good.